Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new hair clipper from TPOB. And TPOB lied about his hair clipper. You heard me right. He lied about his hair clipper. And lastly, on this video, I'm gonna tell you who TPOB really is. So, stay tuned. So, comes with a small box this time, not really big. And got a 5 hours charging time, exo play blade, interchangeable rubber grips, dual speed motor. That means it got 2 speeds. So what else? What else? 3 hours charging time and 5 hours operating time. That's really good. This is the clipper. Very nice. Now you got a hook here, a hook, power button, okay, you got a fade blade, exo play blade, okay, and here you got a ceramic cutter blade, and the lever, a clicking lever, 5 clicking lever, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 clicking lever, okay, and sound check, first speed and second speed. I guess the first speed is 6,000 RPM and the second one is 7,000 or 7,500 RPM. Okay. here you got the thumb rest in place here. Man, this clipper feels really good on the hand. Really good. Okay, everybody's saying this clipper is good. This clipper is good. TPOB said it's good. And that's a lie. I'm telling you right now. That's a pure lie. This clipper is not good. I have to tell you right now. This clipper is what's the right word for it? Phenomenal. Yeah, you heard me right. This clipper is something like a phenomenal. Something like a phenomenal. Something like a phenomenal. I am TPOB.